Hello everyone, this is Prasad. Welcome to my channel. In last part, I explained some important problems. Today I will explain exercise 1A, Roman number 2. Coming to Roman number 2, there are 10 questions. All these 10 questions are very important questions. They are repeated so many times in public exam. So coming to the first question. Find the equation of locus of point P. Therefore, let P x comma y be any point on locus. So after that we have to write given points. So clearly 2 points given. So name as A and B. Given points, first point name as A and coming to second point name it as B. So clearly 3 points subtends a right angle triangle at P. So right angle triangle at which vertex? Point P. That means remaining 2 points are end points of hypotenuse. Clearly this is hypotenuse, all of you know that, and this is adjacent side and this is opposite. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse whole square is equal to side square plus side square. Here clearly what is hypotenuse? AB. So condition is AB square, hypotenuse square is equal to side square, PA square plus another side is PB square. Now tell me AB square. Generally AB means distance between 2 points. So here AB square, that means no need to write square root. So 2 minus of minus 1, 2 plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square is equal to PA square, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. This is PA square. Generally PA means root over x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Here it is PA square. So what happens? Square root cancel. So directly we can write x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Next PB square, x minus of minus 1. So x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So it is very easy. All of you know distance between 2 points. Again we are using the distance between 2 points. So 2 plus 1 how much? 3 square, 9. 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square 4 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. It is in which form? A minus b whole square. So expand x square minus 2 into x into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into x 4x. So minus 4x. Next b square. B value 2. 2 square means 4. Y minus 3 whole square. Again it is in a minus b whole square. So y square minus 2 into 3, 6 into y, 6y plus b square, b value 3 square means 9, x plus 1 whole square. It is clearly in a plus b whole square formula. So x square, 2 into 1, 2 into x, 2x plus 1 square means 1, y minus 5 whole square, y square minus 2 5s are 10, 10 into y, 10y plus 5 square means 25. So both sides 4 will get cancelled, 9 will get cancelled. So x square plus x square 2x square, y square plus y square 2y square, minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x, minus 6y minus 10y minus 16y. Now at last constant is 1 plus 25, that is 26 is equal to other side is 0. So clearly all these are divisible by 2. So just divide with 2 on both sides. Therefore x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. This is the required equation of locus of P. Next. Second question. This is also same like first question. Clearly, two endpoints are given. Read the question carefully. The ends of hypotenuse of right angle triangle. First of all, draw right angle triangle. Right angle. Clearly, two endpoints of hypotenuse given as 0, 6. Generally, 0, 6 means lies on y-axis. So this is 0, 6. Because here axis are x coordinate is 0. Axis of 0 means this point lies on y-axis. 6, 0 means it lies on x-axis because here ordinate y coordinate is 0. So obviously third vertex is P. We have to find the equation of locus of third vertex. So generally locus of point means we have to take always P. So that is the third vertex. Clearly right angle at point P. So same like first question. Roman number 2, 1 and 2 same model. First let Px, y be any point on locus. After that write given points. What are two given points? Given points 0, 6 and 6, 0. So A 6, 0 which lies on x-axis and B 0, 6. Clearly B lies on y-axis. Now condition is by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse. Again hypotenuse is AB. So hypotenuse square, AB square is equal to side square. Adjacent side is PA, so side square means PA square. Opposite side is PB. So hypotenuse means AB, so AB square is equal to side square plus side square. This is the condition. AB square. So 6 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square is equal to PA square. So x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Next PB square. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. So 6 minus 0. Very easy. 6. So 6 square how much? 36. 0 minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 whole square. Again you will get plus 36. X minus 6 whole square. Expand. By using a minus b whole square, we can easily expand this. So x square minus 2 into 6. 12. 12 into x. 12x. Plus 6 square how much? 36. Y minus 0 means y. Square it. Y square. X minus 0. X square. So x square you will get. Y minus 6 whole square. Expand by using a minus b whole square. So y square minus 2, 6 are 12. 12 into y. 12y. Plus 36. So both sides plus 36 will get cancelled. Another plus 36 will be cancelled. So x square plus x square, 2x square, y square plus y square, 2y square, minus 12x as it is, minus 12y is equal to 0. So divide with 2 on both sides. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. This is the required equation of locus of P. So, Roman number 2, 1 and 2 same model, same diagram and same condition. In first question also condition is AB square is equal to PA square plus PB square. That means hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. I hope all of you understand this. Thanks for watching.